Good morning students. Today we are going to start new chapter number 24, how they move. They is refer here for the transport. So what is transport? Transport are the vehicle that we use to go from one place to another. So we can say transport is play very important role in our life, because means of transport, if there is no means of transport, how would we go somewhere, how would we go from one place to another? So if you want to go from one place to another, how will you go? You can walk and you can run, but if you have to go at a very long distance, then what can you do? For this situation, you can use a bicycle, a rickshaw, scooter, or you can use bus also. But if you want to go from one city to another city, what will you use? Then you will use the train and bus. So we travel on land, on water, and by air transport. So what are land transport? The transport which are move on the land, that are known as land transport. For example, like train, car, bus, scooter, motorcycle, and the transport which are move on the water, they are known as water transport, like a ship, boat, and some transport that are move in the air, that is known as air transport. For example, aeroplane, helicopters, rocket. So in this chapter, your transport are divided on the according to their wheels. So there are some example of two-wheeler vehicles, three-wheeler vehicles, four-wheeler vehicles, and some vehicles are also, they don't have wheels. So here is the example of two-wheeler vehicles like scooter, bike, horse cart, Segway. This one is new for you. What is Segway? Segway is a two-wheel self-balancing personal transport. What is Segway? इसमें भी टू व्हील्स होते हैं और इसमें आपको चलाने के लिए खुद पे बैलेंस करना पड़ता है. सो वी कैन से Segway इज अ टू व्हील सेल्फ बैलेंसिंग पर्सनल ट्रांसपोर्ट, and bicycle and bullock cart. So these are the example of two-wheeler vehicles because they have two wheels. You can see अभी हमने जितने भी एग्जाम्पल देखे उसमें कितने व्हील्स है सब ट्रांसपोर्ट में? टू व्हील्स. So these are the example of two-wheeler vehicles. Next is three-wheeler vehicles. Here are some example of three-wheeler vehicles जिसमें three wheels होते हैं, like aeroplane, cycle, rickshaw, and auto rickshaw. So rickshaw, auto rickshaw, and tricycle, these are land transport, but aeroplane is a air transport. Here is the example of four-wheeler vehicles. Means वो vehicles जिसमें कितने wheels होते हैं? Four wheels. Van, car, bus, and truck. So these are some example of four-wheeler vehicles. On the next page, we have also some example of vehicles that have many wheels. Many wheels means in vehicles में बहुत सारे wheels होते हैं, like a train, metro, and truck. You know what is metro? Metro is a train which run by the electricity. So in the Jaipur, you also have metro. So these are the examples of vehicles that have many wheels. But some vehicles are also there that have no wheels. कुछ vehicles ऐसे भी होते हैं जो move तो करते हैं but उनमें wheels नहीं होते हैं. For example, boat, ship. So these are the example of water transport because they move in a water. So ship and boat also don't have wheels. And here are example of hot air balloon and rocket that also don't have any wheels and they move. So what is hot air balloon? Hot air balloons move upwards in a air. हवा के अंदर जब इसको हम छोड़ते हैं तो ये ऊपर की तरफ जाता है. क्यों जाता है? Because hot air rises up and the air is heated in the balloons. बलून के अंदर जो एयर होती है उसको हीट करा जाता है and the balloon rise up. and if we need to bring the balloon down, जब हमको वापस नीचे आना होता है, तो we reduce the temperature of the air that is found inside the balloons. And next is rocket. Rocket is also launched in a space, and it gives us the information about the space by the satellite. So here are some examples that vehicles that have no wheels: boat, ship, hot air balloon, and rocket. So what we learn in this chapter? We learn in this chapter that there are 3 types of transport, that are land transport, water transport, and air transport. And the transport that have 2 wheels, 3 wheels, 4 wheels, and some vehicles that have many wheels, and some vehicles that have no wheels. So student, I hope you understood this chapter. Thank you.